Hello, it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here today with a mindful moment, a breathing break mindful moment from our Yoga for Classrooms activity cards. This is one of our Let's Breathe activities, and this is power breath. I really love power breath because this is a breathing technique that helps to really empower and energize us. It boosts our confidence, it boosts our energy levels. It's great if we're feeling kind of lethargic or if you're kind of feeling down on yourself. Power breath is an awesome little breathing activity to do. Most of our breathing techniques calm our body, and this is one that energizes us. So it's great to use in different settings when you need that. I always love doing power breath in the afternoon when I start to feel kind of sleepy and kind of ready for the end of the day. Power breath can give us that boost we need to get through the rest of the day. Power breath is a breathing technique that takes place standing. So if you'll join me in our standing mountain position, remember in standing mountain, our feet are about as far apart as our hips. Our legs are straight, our core is engaged, our arms are down in front of us, our shoulders are back, our head is reaching towards the sky, and we're in that really proud standing mountain. All right, so from here, we're going to breathe in, reaching our hands towards the sky, really reaching and grabbing all of the sun's energy and power above us. So imagine as you reach your arms up, you're grabbing that energy that the sun exerts all day long. And then as we exhale, we're going to really forcefully push out a ha as we exhale, okay? And when we do that, we're going to draw the sun's energy down into our own place of power. We're going to borrow that sun's energy and put it into our body, into our solar plexus, all right? So that is located just below our rib cage. So we want to bring it down with us as we pull it from the sun. And we're going to do that a couple of times until we really feel like our personal place of power is filled up with power and light and positivity. All right, so we're going to try that a couple of times together. So let's put it all together. As you breathe in, reach towards the sky, pulling the sun's energy, and we're going to pull it down and go, ah, good, bringing it down right below our rib cage. Let's try it again. Breathe in. Pull the sun's energy into our body. Good. As we breathe out. Let's try it again. In. Gathering up all that power, all that positivity, all that energy. Breathe out. Into our being. Good. Try that a couple times on your own. Good. I hope that you feel that power enter your being as you do your power breath. I really like this breathing technique to gather all of that sun energy, bring it into our being, give us that big burst of oxygen to get us through the rest of the day. So one more time together in that standing mountain. Breathe in. Good. Thanks for joining me for this mindful moment, and I'll see you again next time.